How to use your QLogic 3E joystick. Starting from the top, you have the power button. We're currently in the drive profile with the speed dial. Below the speed dial, you have menu icons, and below those are the icon button access. On the bottom left, you have your page button to change menu icons if you have multiple pages. The mode button, press this to get through various drive profiles, auxiliary menu, and seating. And then finally the horn. On the icon button functions, you can have multiple pages with 3 functions on each. Your icons will change and could show things like power seating functions, speed up and down, settings, and lights. If you have more than 3 selections, you will press the page button indicated with the 4 horizontal lines. Your drive profiles are set up with different speed ranges in each. These can be customized, or you can choose to have less than 4. Ask your therapist or wheelchair provider about these options. To change drive profiles, simply press the mode button. If you have a plus or minus button available, these allow you to increase or decrease speed within that profile. Continuing through the mode profiles, we can reach settings. In order to activate settings, follow the check mark with a forward command. Here we can move through the different settings by going left or right for brightness, horn volume, beep volume, and we'll return back to brightness again. We can go up or down to change this setting. Display brightness, we can bring it down. We can bring it back up. And if you see one icon not being available anymore, it's because you're either at the top or bottom of that range. Continuing through mode profiles, you may find things like Bluetooth, if it's activated and paired with your controller, or information. And then seating. Moving the joystick right or left will change what is highlighted orange on the chair, representing different seating functions. Pushing the joystick forward or pulling back will activate that seating function, and the arrows will indicate the direction that it is moving. Tilt, indicated by the orange seat cushion and back cushion, is recommended for pressure relief every 30 minutes for 2 minutes all the way back. The seat elevator is indicated by the highlighted seat cushion. When elevated, you will see this symbol indicating that the chair will now go at a safer speed. Power legs are indicated by the orange leg platforms. If your seat has recline, that is indicated by the orange backrest. If your seating options show up in your page menu, you can press and hold the button for that seat function. Release and press again to change direction. If your page menu has a light button, that can be used to turn on LED lights under the joystick.